So I built this Hs402 oscilloscope. I wanted to say thank you to Dennis from the Gadget Playlist channel, and thank you to Martin Loren. Martin Loren is the developer of Hscope. So I wanted to say thank you for helping me build this channel. Build this oscilloscope. I really appreciate it. So I made a video recently on DIY oscilloscope, and people asked me to give more information. I'm going to start here with the Hscope. So what is Hscope? Hscope is the app that you can use to run that DIY oscilloscope. So let's open it and see. So you click on Hscope. You need an Android tablet. So right now it just show there's nothing connected to it, either by cable or Wi-Fi. So to be able to use this Hscope, you can press on demo mode, and then you can see some waveform, what it's going to look like. So to be able to use this with either Hs402 or other oscilloscope, you're going to need to buy a license. So let's see what license I have here right now. So you go to setting, license. So right now I have those four licenses, Hs402 and automotive mode, the digital module, and the module for NTEC H1008. I'm going to go ahead and connect the first scope that I have. This is Hs402 Wi-Fi. You can use it through Wi-Fi, or you can connect the cable straight to the tablet, and you can do you can capture your waveform. So I have this Hs402 connected to 504 on the phone charger. So I can, right now the Wi-Fi is on, so I can go into the setting of this tablet and connect it on his Wi-Fi. So we show the second Wi-Fi Hs402. So I go on it. So it's connected to it. So we can go ahead and open Hscope app. So you see right away, it doesn't show you have more LED on the microcontroller on to show that it's connected to the app. So it doesn't show demo anymore. And you have two channels. So it's a 2-channel scope. Channel 1 is on right now. So this scope has a waveform generator into it. So if I connect the red lead on my test probe onto this, and then I have to, you need a digital license to be able to use that waveform generator. I have to go here and then PWM. Yeah, and then I have a square waveform. I need 2 hands to be able to zoom on this. So you can zoom on it. And yeah, I can remove it from the Wi-Fi, and then you will see that, not from the Wi-Fi. I can remove my connection here, and then you will see the waveform goes away right away. So I can put it back, and then it come back right away. So it's on Wi-Fi, and it's really fast. So I remove it, and I connect it back. So right now, because I zoom out, I zoom in, that's why the waveform when I remove it looks like that. So there is an automotive mode. You can go into it, and it's gonna just capture the waveform when you press on record. Then it keep recording until you press stop. So you can zoom in as well, and then you can do your measurement. You can save the waveform if you want to. And I did capture a couple waveform with this. I show you. Go here, and those are the waveform that I see. Let's look for this injector. One injector waveform, the voltage on one injector. I'll show you the waveform. So yeah, that's. Can zoom more. Yeah, so that's the waveform for injector that I captured from my car using Hscope. Let me show you another waveform. I did capture cam and crank. See lots of details. I need 2 hands to zoom on this. I'll do my best. I can separate also. This is a crank, this is a cam. So it's really good. I really like it. There's another function on this. I don't remember how they call it, but this is to measure I didn't build that one. So if you go to Dennis website, not website, to Dennis channel, you can see it talk a lot about this Hs402 scope, so you can have more information over there. So I'm going to move the lead to channel 2, and then we can see the waveform move to channel 2 as well. So I moved the lead to channel 2, now it's on the green one. So I'm gonna, what is this one? This one is Hs502. This is the ready-made oscilloscope that you can buy from Martin Loren website. For people who cannot build the Hs402, you can buy the Hs502. It's, I think it's $95 US. Yeah. The only thing is that it's not Wi-Fi. So you're gonna have to connect this to the tablet, and you can do your measurement. I can connect it, and then we see the waveform look exactly like this one. I mean, it looks exactly like the Hs402. The Hscope app can work with so many different scope oscilloscope. So I have here the intake. I think this is a 1008 channel, but it's gonna give you only 4 channels, and it's really slow. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect this Hs502. I have the Hs502 connected right now. So it's just one cable to the tablet, and it has a waveform generator into it that I'm going to connect right now. So here you can see. Yeah, so this one, I think this one, as I told you, is $95 US, but it comes with some license already. I think it comes with automotive license. So if you buy this, you don't need to buy other license. I'm gonna put the link to the website, to the Martin Loren's website, in the description of this video. Over there, you can have a lot of information and lots of part, test lead, sensor. There's a lot of stuff over there, and also information how to build the Hs402 Wi-Fi. And I'm going to also put a link to Dennis from the playlist channel in the description because Dennis play a lot with this, so you're going to have more information from that channel. I have an NTEC connected to the tablet now. As you can see, we have 4 channels. That NTEC 1008 comes with, it can generate a square waveform as well. So I have the test lead connected to channel 1 right now. So I can connect it to here. And then we can see the waveform. But it's really slow. You can zoom on it. Yeah, right now the sample rate is 9 kilosample per second. Let's change it. It is really slow. Compared to the HS series scope. Yeah. So that's the NTEC 1008C connected to Hscope. You have access to 4 channels. It's really limited, I think. It's really slow. So it's not easy to show the parts on video, but I'm going to try my best. This one is the Hs402 with the Wi-Fi. So when you order your PCB board, you're gonna get something like this. This one is Hs402 Pro version 3.1. So this little board here, this is, you're gonna separate it from this, and then you're gonna build your Wi-Fi into it, on it. The Wi-Fi is the Hs502. So you can buy the Hs502 board like this, and you can use it straight. But if you want it to be compact like this, you have to desolder it from this board and solder it on this small board and add a couple component on it. If you don't want to do that, it's really hard to do that, but it's doable. When I build this one is Wi-Fi and it has a battery on it. When I built this, I wasn't feeling comfortable to desolder that, so there's another PCB board. This one is gonna help you to stack all those boards and use the Hs502 straight like this. Yeah, but you see, it's gonna, it looks bigger, right? It looks, you're gonna need a bigger box. And this one, I add a battery to it as well. That's why it's really big. But I prefer this. This is really compact. This, if you add a battery to it, yeah, it's gonna be, but I didn't want to add a battery to it. You can use it with a cable. You can use it with a Wi-Fi. And all these components that I show you, the Hs502, I didn't show you the microcontroller yet. So the Hscope, the HS series is based on STM32 microcontroller. So you're gonna need to buy one. Something like this. This one says STM32 F411. I don't know if this is right. I bought a lot of them, and at the beginning I bought the wrong one, so you're gonna have to be careful. You're gonna see the list of the parts, or Dennis, you're gonna ask Dennis to send you the link. He can send you the link from AliExpress, and then yeah, you can buy it. Yeah, so all these components, you're gonna need to flash them, and on the gadget playlist, Dennis went through already how to flash them, and you can get the file also from his website. You can get the link from the file from his website, from his channel. Yeah, somebody might ask why you need an oscilloscope. So I do some automotive work, and to do some deep troubleshooting, you need an oscilloscope. So you need to see the waveform over the time. So that's why I need an oscilloscope. And if you check on the market, to get a good oscilloscope, you're gonna spend thousands of dollars to get an oscilloscope. But me, I'm just a DIY, so I don't need something that expensive. So with Hscope, and the HS series scope, yeah, I'm able to do like injector waveform, cam and crown, without spending $1,000 on an oscilloscope like a picoscope. It's really expensive. So to be able to do some deep troubleshooting, you need to see the waveform of the voltage over the time, right? That's why you need an oscilloscope. So if you have any question about this, if you are interested to build yours, you can comment down below, or as I said before, you can go to Dennis. Dennis has a channel. It's called, I think, the Gadget Playlist, and then you will have a ton of information over there how to build it, or you can go to Martin Loren website. Yeah, thank you everybody.